Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to create duet videos on TikTok. When you duet on TikTok, someone's original video is placed on one side of your screen, and let's say your creative version of this video is shown on the other side. Follow these steps and you will find out how to make a duet video. Firstly, you need to find the video you want to create a duet for. In this case, you can click on the Discover tab and type in Duet. Here, you can choose the video you would like to record a duet for and open it. Now hit the Share option and tap Duet. This will take you to the camera. Press on the red button in order to record your video. Once you are done, simply post the duet. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make duet videos on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.